Welcome to Maths class. In this class, I am going to explain about proportion in the chapter ratio and proportion. When two ratios are equal, we say that the ratios are in proportion. This is denoted as A is to B proportion to C is to D, and it is read as A is to B as C is to D. The following example explain about proportion. The teacher said to the students, you can do a maximum of 4 projects in mathematics. You will get 5 as internal marks for each project that you do. Kamala asked teacher, what if I do 2 or 3 or 4 projects? The teacher replied, for 2 projects you will get 10 marks. For 3 projects you will get 15 marks, and for 4 projects you will get 20 marks. Here 1 project carries 5 marks is equivalent to saying 2 projects carry 10 marks, and so on. Hence, the ratios 1 is to 5 is equal to 2 is to 10 is equal to 3 is to 15 is equal to 4 is to 20 are said to be in proportion. Thus, 1 is to 5 is in proportion to 2 is to 10, 3 is to 15 and 4 is to 20. This is denoted by 1 is to 5 is proportion to 2 is to 10, and it is read as 1 is to 15 as 2 is to 10 and so on. Now we learn proportionality law. If two ratios are in proportion, that is A is to B is proportion to C is to D, then the product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. The product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. This is called proportionality law. Here A and D are the extremes and B and C are the means. Also, if two ratios are equal, that is called the cross product of proportions. For example, by using proportionality law, check whether 3 is to 2 and 30 is to 20 are in proportion. Here the extremes are 3 and 20 and the means are 2 and 30. Product of extremes AD equal to 3 into 20 equal to 60. Product of means BC equal to 2 into 30 equal to 60. By using proportionality law, AD equal to BC, so 60 equal to 60. So 3 is to 2 and 30 is to 20 are in proportion. Now I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 3.2. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Subdivision 1, 3 is to 5 is proportion to dash is to 20. The unknown value is taken as x. 3 into 20 equal to 5 into x. 3 and 20 are extremes and 5 and x are means. So 3 into 20 equal to 60 equal to 5x. X equal to 60 by 5 equal to 12. So 3 is to 5 is proportion to 12 is to 20. The answer is 12. Subdivision 2, dash is 24 is proportion to 3 is to 8. The unknown value is taken as x. Yeah, x and 8 are extremes and 24 and 3 are means. So, according to proportionality law, the product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 8 into x equal to 24 into 3 equal to 72. 8x equal to 72. X equal to 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. So the answer is 9. Subdivision 3. 5 is to dash is proportion to 10 is to 8 is proportion to 15 is to dash. First we take 5 is to x is proportion to 10 is to 8. Here 5 and 10 are extremes and 8 and x are means. Product of extremes equal to product of means. 40 equal to 10x, x equal to 40 by 10 equal to 4. Next we take 10 is to 8 is proportion to 15 is to x. Here 10 and x are extremes and 8 and 15 are means. 10x equal to 8 into 15, x equal to 120 divided by 10 equal to 12. So the answers are 4 and 12. 5 is to 4 is proportion to 10 is to 8 is proportion to 15 is to 12. Subdivision 4. 12 is to dash equal to dash is to 4 equal to 8 is to 16. First we take 12 is to x equal to 8 is to 16. Here 12 and 16 are extremes and 8 and x and 8 are means. 12 into 16 equal to 8x. So x equal to 12 into 16 divided by 8. 16 is cancelled by 8. We get 2. 12 into 2 equal to 24. Next we take x is to 4 equal to 8 is to 16. X and 16 are extremes. 4 and 8 are means. X into 16 equal to 4 into 8. X equal to 4 into 8 divided by 16. 16 is cancelled by 4. We get 2. 8 is divided by 4. We get 2. 4 into 8 divided by 16 equal to 2. 12 is to 24 equal to 2 is to 4 equal to 8 is to 16. So the answers equal to 24 and 2. Next say true or false. Subdivision 1. 2 is to 7 is proportion to 14 is to 4. This statement is false, because the product of extremes 2 and 4 equal to 8. The product of means 7 and 14 equal to 98. So 8 is not equal to 98. So the given ratios are not in proportion. So the statement is false. Subdivision 2. 7 persons is to 49 persons as 11 kg is to 88 kg. 7 is to 49 is proportion to 11 is to 88. But the product of extremes equal to 7 into 88 equal to 616. And the product of means equal to 49 into 11 equal to 539. Here 616 is not equal to 539. So the statement is false. Subdivision 3. 10 books is to 15 books as 3 books is to 15 books. 10 is to 15 is proportion to 3 is to 15. The product of extremes 10 into 15 equal to 150. The product of means equal to 15 into 3 equal to 45. Here the product of extremes is not equal to product of means. So the statement is false. Objective type questions. Question number 7. Which of the following ratios are in proportion? Option A 3:5 and 6:11. Option B 2:3 and 9:6. Option C 2:5 and 10:25. Option D 3:1 and 1:3. The answer is option C 2:5 and 10:25. Here the extremes, the product of extremes equal to 2 into 25 equal to 50 and the product of means equal to 5 into 10 equal to 20. So the product of extremes equal to product of means equal to 50. So the answer is option C 2:5 and 10:25. Question number 8. If the ratios formed using the numbers 2, 5, x, 20 in the same order or in the proportion, then x is option A 50, option B 4, option C 10 and option D 8. 2:5 is proportion to x:20. So the product of extremes equal to 2 into 20 equal to the product of means 5 into x. 40 equal to 5x, x equal to 40 by 5 equal to 8. So the answer is option D 8. Question number 9. If 7:5 is in proportion to x:25, then x is option A 27, option B 49, option C 35 and option D 14. 7:5 is proportion to x:25. The product of extremes 7 into 25 equal to the product of means 5 into x. 175 equal to 5x. X equal to 175 divided by 5 equal to 35. So the answer is option C 35. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 3.2. Thank you.